students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 8 related to Laplace transform. So what is basically that type? First shifting theorem. So to understand first shifting theorem, you have to remember, please pay attention over here, if Laplace of f of t is equal to phi of s. As you know that Laplace transform is a conversion from time domain analysis into frequency domain analysis. So if Laplace of f of t is nothing but equal to phi of s, then Laplace of e raised to minus at into f of t by first shifting theorem can be given by phi of s plus a. You have to check the raised to term. Here it is e raised to minus a. If it is e raised to minus a, by first shifting theorem, whatever Laplace transform of f of t you will get, in that you have to put, instead of s, you have to replace that particular function by s plus a. If it is e raised to plus at, so what would be your answer? It would be in the form of phi of s minus a. So I hope you have understood what is first shifting theorem. So to understand this concept, let's consider first example. We have to calculate Laplace of e raised to minus t into cos h 2t. So what you need to do, you have to identify f of t from the given example. What you need to do? You have to identify f of t from the given example. If you equate the given example with the standard form, so Laplace of f of t you need to calculate. So what is basically f of t? F of t is nothing but, in this particular example, is cos h 2t. So how you are going to calculate Laplace of this particular function? By using the standard result cos h at, which is nothing but equal to s upon s square minus a square. So here Laplace of cos h 2t, which is nothing but equal to s upon s square minus 4. Now this is as per the standard form, if Laplace of f of t is equal to phi of s. This is your phi of s. So with the help of this, we have to calculate Laplace of e raised to minus t cos h 2t, which is equal to phi of s plus a. In this case, what is the value of a? If you are going to equate with the standard result, a is nothing but equal to 1. A is nothing but equal to 1. So you have to replace this particular function by s plus 1 upon s plus 1 whole square minus 4. So the final answer would be equal to s plus 1 upon apply a plus b whole square. You will be getting s square plus 2s plus 1 minus 4, which is nothing but equal to, the final answer is what? Instead of this, you can write minus 3. I hope you have understood how to apply first shifting theorem. Let's consider second example. What is given? We have to calculate Laplace of e raised to 2t into t raised to 4. So as per the standard formula, first you need to identify what is f of t. So in this particular example, f of t, this is the solution for first example. We need to find out the solution for the second. Laplace of t raised to 4. Which formula you will apply? T raised to n, that is Laplace of t raised to n, which is nothing but equal to n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So in this case, 4 factorial upon s raised to 4 plus 1, which is nothing but equal to 5. So here, as per the first shifting theorem, as I told you, if Laplace of e raised to 2t into t raised to 4. So Laplace of e raised to 2t into t raised to 4 can be given by, you have to replace, as I told you, you have to check the raised to term. If it is e raised to at, while substituting in the answer, you have to replace s by s minus a. So here we have to replace this s by s minus 2 whole raised to 5. I hope you have understood this concept. Coming to the third example, what is given? Laplace of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. So first you have to identify f of t from the given example. So can you identify what is f of t? F of t is nothing but equal to cos 2t. Then you need to calculate Laplace of f of t. What is Laplace of cos 2t? Yes, it can be given by s upon s square plus 4. Am I right? And then you need to simply find out by using first shifting theorem Laplace of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. In this answer, you have to replace s by s minus 3. So what you will get? S minus 3 upon s minus 3 whole square plus 4. After applying a minus b whole square formula in this, you will get s square minus 6s plus 9 plus 4 is 13. So the final answer is what? By applying first shifting theorem, the answer is s minus 3 upon s square minus 6s plus 3. I hope you have understood type number 8 related to Laplace transform, how to apply first shifting theorem. In next video, we'll learn type number 9. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.